So, trying to get this level to start this video. I am at train station in Bangkok, where they have a small selection of trains on display. Lovely old steam train, fully restored. So many information about this one. Sadly, it's not something I know a great deal about. I thought I would show you, and I will drop a link to the location in the description. But she is definitely a big girl and in beautiful condition. Just show you inside. A few of our smaller ones here on display as well. I will take you for a walk along. And there's some A-class. Just show you our displays. You're probably better off Googling than trying to read the actual boards anyway. They're all in Thai. Again, these are beautifully restored. And there's a couple of diesel electrics. Show you inside. Looks like it's been stripped out a little bit. And they have these. Show you, so these are normal carriages that are still in use. So if you're travelling around Thailand, you'll be pretty familiar with these carriages. I was hoping you've got something a little unusual or a little different, but I'll take you for a walk back down through. Wonder what diesel motor actually used in these. It's a Caterpillar D397 cat engine. So you've seen the other video of the steam trains in Kanchanaburi. There are quite a few here in Bangkok, but they're spread out at different locations. And you've got the train graveyard, you got near Thonburi station, you've actually got a workshop, and they've got 3 or 4 steam engines in there. But I'm not sure if I take them out often or not. Brass controls. The building itself is lovely. I will leave the video off here. I'll catch you on the next one. So actually, decided to walk around and show you the other side. With Thailand, there is literally something here for everyone. Aviation museums, railway museums, car shows, car events, motorsport events, motorbike events. There's, yeah, always a lot going on, which is fantastic. Right.